Picture this. What if an AI could actually edit your videos for you, fully cutting a clip from start to finish? Today, I'm putting that idea to the test with Vizard, an AI tool that promises to turn long-form footage into ready-to-post short clips. I really wanted to see if this platform could survive the messy, chaotic reality of a professional creator's actual workflow. I started by feeding it a complex reaction video I did with a professional editor to see if the AI could hunt down viral gold. Importing was incredibly painless as the software scanned the file and gave me a clear summary of key moments. My prompt was dead simple. I just asked the AI to create a short clip about topic number 13. Within just 10 seconds, it spat out a perfectly trimmed clip that completely avoided any dead air. It caught a specific moment where someone was flexing about their sound design rates, which was honestly pretty impressive. Because short-form content is so competitive, I wanted to polish the AI's output using my own NLE workflow. Vizard features a direct export to Premiere, so I sent the sequence over and it synced up almost instantly. I spent just 2 minutes resizing the clip, tightening the pacing, and adjusting the captions to make it really pop. The final version was incredibly lean, punchy, and honestly performed better than clips I'd spent much longer creating from scratch. Next, I tested the built-in AI assistant to see if it could generate viral-ready promotional copy for my socials. It pulled lines directly from the transcript, suggested hooks, and gave me options ready to tweet without any extra guesswork. But then I decided to put it through the ultimate stress test, a massive 90-minute multicam podcast project. We're talking about massive 4K files from 3 separate cameras that would usually make my computer cry. I selected the podcast workflow, hit import, and simply walked away while the software crunched the data in the background. About 40 minutes later, I returned to find a fully edited multicam timeline waiting for me. The transitions felt remarkably natural, and it successfully detected who was speaking despite the mixed audio track. While I still made a few tiny timing tweaks, the tool handled the heavy lifting, saving me hours of tedious work. The ability to export back into professional editing software for final polishing makes this a serious contender for pros. So here's the verdict. Vizard is genuinely useful if you're trying to scale your short-form content or edit long-form shows. It is surprisingly smart at identifying those high-performance moments that you would otherwise miss during manual review. I also love that the chat-like interface feels intuitive for anyone who is already familiar with using modern AI tools. Of course, nothing is perfect, and you should always be the final editor-in-chief of your own creative projects. Some competitors can be incredibly expensive or force you into a cloud-only workflow that gets pricey fast. Vizard feels like the perfect middle ground, powerful enough for pro work but accessible enough for solo creators. Plus, their built-in content calendar and auto-scheduler actually save massive amounts of mental energy. Staying consistent across TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts is a huge challenge, and these tools really do change the game. If you are a creator who wants to stop doing repetitive cutting and start making more creative decisions, definitely give this a shot. Check the link in the description for a trial, and feel free to comment if you want me to stress test other formats next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one for more deep dives into the editing world.